pickle juice. Some of you might want to know, what are you going to do with that? This pot has more water in it. We'll use this one. Alright, those 4 large jars that I put in there, those are filler jars. What that's going to do is allow me to process 4 more jars in the pints without them falling over. I don't have to put lids on them or everything. They'll just sit there to save the space. These have been boiling for about 10 minutes. Slow the roll a little. Thinking 4 pints should be enough, if not. Sweet pickle juice. Some of you might want to know, what are you going to do with that? Well, one thing you can do with it is pickle eggs. And I don't have time to do that right now, or I'd do it, but I will shortly. I saved some of the height from the cowboy candy that I had left over. I'm going to save this sweet pickle juice. We're going to pickle some quail eggs soon. Also, I can take and put some of this in potato salad, coleslaw, macaroni salad. Let's bring it back up to a boil. And we'll go another 15 minutes. And this is the last turn of the pickles. I have 4 pints of pickle juice, and we ended up using one of those quarts. So, like I said, I'll use this for pickling eggs. I'll use it in my coleslaw. I'll use it in macaroni salad and potato salad. So, that's it for today. Y'all have a good one.